Hello everyone, this is Lilia from Rinpack. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? Flavor needs the right vessel. Custom seasoning Mylar pouch multi-layer barrier construction locks in aroma, blocks moisture, and preserves flavor potency. From spice blends to dry rubs, marinades to finishing salts. Available in stand-up, flat or gusseted styles. Choose matte, gloss or craft exterior. Customize with full color printing, clear windows foil accents, or embossing. Add a hang hole tear notch, or scoop-friendly wide mouth opening. Resealable zipper keeps seasoning fresh after every use. No clumps, no stale flavors, just consistent quality every time. Custom seasoning Mylar pouch lock in the flavor, seal in the freshness. For more questions, please feel free to contact me. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.